Jay Z is an American rapper, songwriter, producer, businessman, and fashion icon who is widely regarded as one of the greatest hip-hop artists of all time. He is one half of a power couple who have been dominating the music industry for decades. Of course, I'm referring to his marriage to Beyonce Knowles, who is one of the most famous musicians on the planet. Jay Z has sold more than 100 million records worldwide and has won an incredible 21 Grammy Awards throughout his career. It is also a well-known fact that Jay Z is one of the wealthiest rappers of all time, with a staggering net worth of $1 billion, becoming the first rapper to achieve that milestone. Jay Z lives an insane luxury lifestyle that only a few celebrities can match. He has it all, from crazy mega luxury mansions to limited edition luxury cars to insane private jets and luxury yachts. So how did a common kid from the cruel streets of New York able to rise to such fame and grow his bank account to a mind-blowing 10 figures? Well, to get all these answers and beyond, make sure to stay to the end of this video. So without further ado, here is a well-detailed breakdown of Jay Z's billion-dollar investment strategy. Despite the fact that most people think Jay earned all of his wealth overnight, it was actually a long process that was decades in the making. Many people know the man, but only a few know the story. Jay Z began his entrepreneurial journey as a hustler on the streets of Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn. Coming from one of the roughest neighborhoods in New York City, there weren't many opportunities, and Jay quickly turned to the streets for income, selling crack and all sorts of drugs to support himself and his family. After several near-death experiences and close calls with the law, Jay Z knew it was time to put his past behind and do something different. Deciding to hone in on his natural gift with rhyming and wordplay, he started rapping in the streets. And after building a reputation around New York City as a skilled freestyler and battle rapper, he released his first single, In My Lifetime, in 1995. With no major record labels taking an interest in him, Jay Z partnered up with Damon Dash and Karim Biggs Bouquet to launch Rockefeller Records, and he began releasing his music independently. Over the next 25 years, Jay Z will grow to become one of the biggest artists in music, selling over 50 million albums and 75 million singles worldwide. Today, Jay Z's music catalog is valued at more than $75 million. In 1999, Jay Z and Damon Dash co-created the clothing line Rocawear, and by 2000, the company was generating $50 million in revenue per year. At its peak, Rocawear generated $700 million in annual revenue. Damon was removed from the company in 2006 after a falling out with Jay, and in March 2007, Jay sold the rights to Rocawear to Iconic's brand group for $204 million. After selling his Rocawear clothing brand, Jay Z began to diversify his investment portfolio. Since then, Jay has focused on investing in innovative tech startups such as Uber, JetSmarter, Julep, and Away. Jay Z invested $2 million in Uber back in 2013 when the company was valued at just $300 million. Uber is currently valued at more than $66 billion, and Jay Z's stake is estimated to be worth more than $70 million. Jay Z is so committed to helping startups that his entertainment firm Roc Nation launched a platform called Arrive, which provides startups with brand services, business development, advisory, and capital to grow. In exchange, he likely receives a stake in the startup as well as a piece of their future revenue. In 2015, the entertainment mogul became the majority owner of music streaming service Tidal through a $56 million acquisition. Today, Tidal is valued at $600 million. Jay is also the co-founder and owner of the 4040 Club franchise of nightclubs in New York. And over the years, Jay has endorsed a number of major brands including Chevy, Budweiser, Armadale Vodka, and Hewlett-Packard. He is the co-brand director of Budweiser Select and collaborates with the company on marketing and ad development. Jay Z has also purchased a small stake in the Brooklyn Nets in January 2004 for $1 million. By the time Jay sold his stake in the team, he had also bought a minority stake in the Barclays Center Arena. He had to sell his stake in the team for $2.3 million when he launched his sports management business, Roc Nation Sports. An entrepreneur at heart, Jay Z has branched out into numerous industries and started his own businesses. More than 10 years ago, Jay partnered with entertainment company Live Nation to launch a joint venture called Roc Nation, offering an array of services in the entertainment industry. Roc Nation acts as a record label, artist management company, sports agency, among other offerings. Jay Z has also been a powerful force in the alcohol industry, and currently owns 2 companies in the space. In 2014, Jay Z became the majority owner in champagne company Armand de Brignac. He had previously been a paid endorser of the brand, but ultimately decided to buy the company out completely. It has been reported that Jay also owns a minority stake in the English soccer team Arsenal. He has also invested in a real estate partnership that is reportedly building hotels and condominiums around New York City. Jay Z, together with his wife Beyonce, own an extremely valuable portfolio of real estate assets around the world. In 2008, they purchased a 7-bedroom mansion on the ultra-exclusive Indian Creek Island in Miami for $8 million, which they sold in 2010 for $9.3 million. In 2017, Beyonce and Jay Z together paid $88 million for an insane 30,000 square foot mansion in Bel Air, California. Public records showed that they took out a $52 million mortgage when they bought the house. Using the mortgage rates that were available at the time, B and J are likely paying north of $250,000 per month on their mortgage for the home that has a full basketball court, 2 acres of land, a 15-car garage, a media room, multiple pools, and bulletproof windows. Also in 2008, Jay Z and Beyonce purchased a house in Scottsdale, New York for $9.5 million. Jay Z also owns an apartment in what is regarded as the most luxurious apartment building of the world, the Trump World Towers in New York. This $65,000 per month apartment is the new home of the talented entrepreneur and his wife, Beyonce. Jay Z's incredible luxury car collection is considered iconic. From vintage cars to exotic super rides, Jay Z has a different vehicle for every day of the month. He owns a limited edition Maybach Excelero, a Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport, a Pagani Zonda Tricolore, a Rolls-Royce Phantom, a Ferrari F430 Spider, a Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet, a Corvette CL, a Maybach 57S, a Bentley Continental GT, a Datsun Spromborn, and a Cadillac Escalade. If anyone wants to know how to find reasons for splashing all loads of money on gifts, ask bold Beyonce Knowles, as she has once gifted a Bombardier Challenger 850 private jet to her adorable husband Jay Z on the occasion of Father's Day. The $40 million personal jet has a seating capacity for up to 15 passengers and features a flash interior scheme, boasting a cream leather living room, 2 bathrooms, and a kitchen. Jay also likes to take some time off from time to time. He has been spotted in luxury romantic holiday destinations with his wife in places like the Hamptons, Cannes, Florida, and the Bahamas. Jay Z is also a generous philanthropist who has made huge donations to charitable organizations like his Sean Carter Scholarship Foundation and Be Good Foundation. So this is how Jay Z makes and spends his millions. Do you think Jay Z deserves all this wealth? And what about him do you like or hate the most? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts on the comment section below. Also, don't forget to press the like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future celebrity network breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you in the next.